Hello everybody, Northwest Saws here, and we're out again cutting on some grand fir, and this time we've got a McCulloch Super 55. I completely rebuilt this off from the ground up, new crank bearings, seals, they're SKF bearings and seals, and if it hasn't been replaced with new old stock parts, it's been refurbished and cleaned up. Got the hood polished up. I've gotten it dirty already. Got a nice decal from Sugar Creek Supply. They did a good job. New old stock air filter. Got some fresh mix in the tank, and we're ready to go. Ready to do some cutting. Still got to put some paint on the flywheel cover. And yeah, it's a beautiful day here in north central Idaho, up in the mountains. There's still a little bit of snow on the ground. A lot less than you would expect. This time of year into January, there should be a lot, several feet. And this is, there's almost none just down the road there, hardly any at all. But hey, it's almost 50 degrees up here. It's really nice. So we're gonna do some bucking on this grand fir, get some rounds out of it. Let some of the firewood scroungers that didn't quite get enough wood for the season come and take their fill. And grand fir is not exactly one of my favorite bits of firewood to take home, but hey, it'll work in a pinch. It's definitely better than nothing. Let's see if I can get the zoom function to work. Well, definitely not too bad for a saw from the late 50s. And now that it's got a full rebuild, hopefully it'll run for another 50 or 60 years. Anyways, got a couple more saws to test out and do some more cutting. But hey, thanks for watching, and wherever you are, be safe, have fun, and you know what, just have a good one. Thanks for watching.